you are most welcome to the language class. Hope you all are well and you have enjoyed the vacation. So, we are starting our lessons with chapter 17, that is linking words. So, here is a passage we are reading here. Once we saw a mother duck and its ducklings. The ducklings were tiny but were able to swim. Ducklings can swim from birth. The ducklings we saw were funny. One or the other would push the rest, and all would start to shout in their baby voices. The mother duck would be on land, but the ducklings would be in water by themselves. So, here it is written, read the passage below, underline and, but, and, or. Here the and is used, and, but, or. You have to underline and, but, or. So, once we saw a mother duck and, so we have to underline it and. The ducklings were tiny, but we underline the but. Ducklings can swim from birth. The ducklings we saw were funny. One or underline the or. The other would push the next and underline the and. All would start to shout in their baby voices. The mother duck would be on land, but underline the but. The ducklings would be in water by themselves. So, linking words join words, groups of words or sentence. That means some words are there, they joins two words or a group of words. They are called linking words. Okay. For example, and, or, but. These three are the linking words. Okay. Next, there are many more linking words in English. We will learn three more here. So, as, and, because. Read the sentences below. See how linking words are used. I slept till 7, so I missed the school bus. Okay, so is used over here as a linking word. I was late for class as I missed the school bus. As is linking word here. The teacher was worried because I was late for class. Because is also a linking word. You have probably noticed that because and as have similar meaning. You can use either because or as in the same place. Okay, next. Use the linking words given in bracket to join the sentences. One has been done for you. I can't go swimming. I have forgotten my swimming trunks. Because. So I cannot go swimming because I have forgotten my swimming trunks. It was dark. We took our torches with us. So it was dark, so we took our torches with us. I can't visit you. I have a dance class this evening. I can't visit you because I have a dance class this evening. I am in charge of the house. Mom and dad are away. Because. You have to join the sentence with because. I am in charge of the house because mom and dad are away. Last few you will do by yourself. Okay. You will do by yourself. Here is the fill in the blanks. Complete the following story by using correct linking words from the brackets. Many centuries ago, there lived in Japan a wise Buddhist monk called Ikkyu. When he was young, Ikkyu wanted to study under a great tutor, so he went. Searching for a wise man. He soon found a great teacher, but he was intelligent because he was intelligent and quick. He soon found a great teacher because he was intelligent and quick. EQ studied well, dash learned that the teacher taught him, and learned all that the teacher taught him. Dash he liked to ask questions. As he liked to ask questions, he asked many questions, and the teacher always answered them with patience. So do the rest by yourself, okay? And here you will do by yourself, okay? I have discussed the first paragraph and others you will discuss. Next, number 3, join the sentences below using suitable linking words from the box. It is hot outside. It is cool inside the house. It is hot outside but cool inside the house. Jamie wanted, you have to rewrite the sentences like this, okay? It is hot outside but cool inside the house. And you will not give the full stop over there. When you will join the two sentences, you will never give the full stop. Okay? Jemima wanted to a bicycle for her birthday. She had learned how to ride one. Jemima wanted a bicycle for her birthday as he learned how to ride one. Okay, so rest you will do by yourself, and next I will give the answers. Okay, so till the next class, goodbye, have a nice time, and do the work in book.